Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your GitHub profile picture. Whether you're looking to update your professional image or simply want a fresh look on your repositories, this quick process will help you personalize your GitHub presence in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to update the profile picture, as this is crucial for accessing your personal settings. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the GitHub homepage. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your current profile picture displayed as a small avatar icon. Click on this profile picture to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Profile. This action will take you directly to your public GitHub profile page, where you can view how others see your account. Once you're on your profile page, click on your avatar profile picture again. This is typically positioned prominently near the top of the page and serves as the main representation of your account across GitHub. Next, navigate to the right side of the screen where you'll find a section labeled Profile Picture. Here you'll see an edit button associated with your current avatar. Go ahead and click on that edit button. This opens up the profile picture management interface, giving you access to modify your current image. In the interface that appears, you'll see an option that says Upload a Photo. Click on this to proceed with selecting a new image from your device. This step is important because it allows you to browse through your local files and choose the perfect picture that represents you or your brand on GitHub. A file browser window will pop up on your screen. Take a moment to navigate through your folders and locate the photo you want to use as your new GitHub profile picture. Once you've found the right image, select it and then click Open. The file will begin uploading to GitHub's servers, so you might need to wait a moment while this process completes, especially if you're uploading a larger image file. After the upload finishes, you'll see a preview of your new profile picture. To finalize the change, click on the button labeled Set New Profile Picture. This confirms your selection and applies the new image to your GitHub account across all repositories, comments, and interactions. And there you have it. Your GitHub profile picture has been successfully updated and will now be visible to everyone who views your profile or sees your contributions across the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.